Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Inspect the pivot and jaws, test the spring, and clear debris so the tool operates smoothly. Next, choose the correct safety eye size for the material and backing washer. This prevents pull-out. Then place the eye through the fabric or plastic, hold the shank perpendicular, and close the pliers until the eye seats. Once the eye sits, pause to verify alignment. This first clamp sets the foundation for secure, repeatable installs. Once the eye is seated, you continue by applying steady, even pressure with the pliers. Squeeze until the jaws stop and the washer deforms to lock the shank. Make sure you do not rock the tool. Rocking creates uneven crimps and weakens the hold. After compressing, release slowly and inspect the washer engagement. It should be flush and concentric. If you see a gap or tilt, reseat the eye and repeat the squeeze to ensure consistent, durable fastening. To finish, trim any excess shank or file small burrs so the install is clean and safe. You then test the assembly by applying a steady, gradual pull. 5 to 10 pounds is a practical check to confirm the eye holds. If the eye shifts or fails, stop and diagnose. Often the washer didn't seat or the eye size was wrong. In that case, recrimp using a thicker washer or reposition the eye slightly. This troubleshooting step usually corrects common failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.